Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11i, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings, or you can't. So you can't really access any settings, but you can just tap on it once, and after that recording starts immediately. So here you can switch your microphone, for example. So here you can also access show touches settings. So as you can see, now it shows where I touch, but now it doesn't show. So when you're done recording, just tap on this middle red button, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album, videos and screenshots. It will be in both of them. And here it is. And switch your microphone, for example. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your video, or perform more actions from this list. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.